What is EZVIZ? Easy means easy to use, and Viz means vision. We provide a comprehensive visual smart security solutions to home users and SMBs. We have 5 product lines to meet everyone's needs: security camera, smart home, alarm and sensor, NVR and network, and action camera. You don't need installers, toolboxes, or complicated instructions because EZVIZ is easy to use. All of EZVIZ devices can be easily connected to the EZVIZ app and EZVIZ Sports. Keep an eye on your loved ones simply on your smart devices. With the app, home is never far away. You can not only watch live feeds and previous images, but also capture and share the memorable moments with family and friends. We are EZVIZ, always there and create a safe, convenient, and smart life.